From the world of sports, the Super Eagles of Nigeria are set to begin training under their new head coach, Chelle, ahead of the 2026 FIFA World Cup qualifiers. The Nigerian Football Federation (NFF) has scheduled the team's first training session for March 17th in Kigali, Rwanda. Chelle, who was appointed as head coach on January 7, 2025, will lead the team for the first time. The foreign-based players are expected to join the camp by March 18th, while the assistant coaches and home-based players will arrive earlier. The NFF has promised full support to ensure the team performs well in the upcoming matches. Nigeria will face Rwanda on March 21st in Kigali. 4 days after they will play against Zimbabwe in Uyo, the Super Eagles are currently in the 5th place in Group C with 3 points from 4 matches. Rwanda leads the group with 7 points. However, Coach Chelle has urged the players to give their best effort. He also stated that only top-performing players from their clubs will be invited to the national team. He recently traveled across Europe to meet Nigerian players and discuss his plans. Ahmed Musa, Nigeria's most capped player, is expected to bring experience and stability to the team. Coach Chelle also recalled Joe Aribo and Paul Unuachu to strengthen the squad. The Super Eagles will be aiming to win their upcoming matches and improve their performances of qualifying for the 2026 World Cup, which will be held in the United States, Canada, and Mexico. We'll continue to supply you more sports stories. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.